Okay, hi guys. So from this lecture, we will be talking about diazotization of amines. Okay, so let's get started. So let me put down the heading first. Diazotization of amines. Okay, so let's look at the reaction first. So we have PHNH2, which is a 1 degree amine. Okay, and what we are doing is we are passing NaNH2 and 2 moles of HCl. So what will we get? We will get something like this. Okay, let us just second example. We have a 2 degree amine, and we are again using NaNH2 and 2 moles of HCl as our reagent. So what will we get? We get something like this compound. Okay, let's take another example. We have something like this, and we pass forgot the N in between. Okay, this is a 3 degree amine. Okay, we pass it on in NaNH2 again, and I beg your pardon, this is Na, this is NaNO2. Okay, so just pardon me for that. Okay, so NaNO2 moles of HCl. Again, what will we get? We get something like this compound, N double bond O here, and N 2 methyls here. Okay, so what is diazotization? Diazotization is nothing but in simply put in plain words is formation of N plus triple bond N minus Cl, and R is here. Okay, so this is the formation of formation of this compound, or diazonium salt is called diazotization. This is also called diazonium salt. Okay, so some important points to note here is that aromatic diazonium salt are stable up to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, second point is, okay, first let us draw something. So we have this diazonium salt. So for this we actually, or we can have generalized way as this. So in general way we say that it is stable up to 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and it is kept in ice cold solution. Okay, second point here is, when primary amine reacts with NaNO2 and HCl, formation of diazonium salt takes place, and this is known as diazotization of benzene of amine. So I have already told that point, but just let us write it. So when primary amine reacts with NaNO2 and HCl, formation of diazonium salt takes place, and this is called, or simply and is called, diazotization. Of amine. Okay, so let's quickly have a look at the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so in the first step we have NaNO2. This is obviously positive and negative ions, and we have 2 moles of HCl. So first we are using the first mole of HCl to convert it into something like HNO2 and NaCl. In the second point, we have our HNO2 as something like this, and we also have HCl. HCl will act as an acid in this reaction, and OH minus or base would be HNO2. Then what actually happens is we get something like N plus double bond O. Okay, obviously Cl minus would be attached. Now in the third step, what we actually have is we have this amine or a primary amine. This has lone pairs, the nitrogen group on the NH2 or the N group or the N atom. So we have N plus O, and then what actually happens is we have the attack of lone pair on N towards something like N plus H would be formed, N plus H2, and NO would be formed, NH would be remaining, H plus will be coming out and forming HCl. Okay, now we can obviously see that this compound can undergo tautomerism, and we can get something like this compound. Okay, obviously there is a lone pair here, it will come to O minus, and this O minus will extract H plus from this nitrogen atom and will get this. Now again, in the presence of HCl, what will happen is, again it will take H plus as it's a strong acid. Okay, so what will happen is we'll get something like this thing. Okay, it has a lone pair, it will use it and will get something like NCl would be used from Cl minus here. So from this we get diazonium salt. This is called diazonium salt. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this lecture. In the next lecture we'll be seeing some more examples and replacement reactions which our diazonium salt shows. Okay, so till then, good luck and goodbye.